Welcome to a beautiful, hot day of Thailand. Today we are here with the Alocasia lemon lime gecko. We're gonna cut and propagate its the runners because it is actually faster than letting it grow naturally. You see these runners, all of them over here, like these ones, they like the top of it, the top end, unless it has rooted down, it won't grow into a new plant. So what we can do is we can cut the runners, cut the stem, the internode, yeah, just like that, to propagate, to stick it in your planting medium. Just cut them like that. You see, these are the part, these node, it's not focusing. The roots will grow from there, and then the actual plant will come up. It takes some time, but it'll give you more numbers of plants, and it is faster, a bit faster, because it needs time to grow into a new shoot like this. Only the like the top end, like this runner, they would only grow into one plant, which is this part. But this one doesn't root it. It already come out of the top. It won't grow. So these runners, like these two, they're not on the planting medium, so they won't grow. And what you can do is place it back and then use some your planting medium to cover it up. But what you're gonna do with the runner that has grown already, are you gonna let it die and go to waste? Like this one has grown into another plant already, and now this runner over here, it will die off. See, it's browning. It's gonna dry off. So what we're gonna do is we cut it to propagate. We're not letting it go to waste. This is another one of them. As you can see, the node, there's a new node, new bud node growing up. I'll just stick these to my planting medium and it'll be growing. And here is my planting medium, coconut husk. The other part is just soil, dirt, a bit of sand, just tiny bit, and that's it. This mix is really good at retaining moisture and water. And now our cutting, just plug it in. Just like that, and then water it. Now this cup doesn't have any draining hole because I want the water to be in here. This is how I do it. In my experience, it is a success. And that's it. The rest, just place it under direct sunlight and wait. Okay, thank you.